Direct primary care should feel simple, but with scheduling, billing, care coordination, and patient engagement scattered across multiple systems, it's anything but simple. blueBriX unifies the care journey. Intelligent scheduling keeps your calendar efficient. Personalized treatment plans keep patients on track, and real-time alerts flag risks before they escalate. Customization is effortless. Build forms, capture data, and create reports instantly, without waiting on IT. Stay ahead with configurable clinical rules that help automate workflows. Pair that with built-in engagement, nudges, reminders, and two-way communication that keep patients active in their care. Actionable dashboards track what matters most. Billing flows directly into your workflows. Engagement tools keep patients loyal, and practice management becomes truly end-to-end. blueBriX, one platform, complete care orchestration for your DPC.